Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to know the procedure, benefits, and importance of fermented plant juice concoction. So first, what is FPJ concoction? It is a non-toxic, edible liquid that can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. So here are the four main ingredients. 200 grams of aligbati leaves, 200 grams of kamote leaves, 200 grams of kangkong leaves, and also 300 grams of sugar. Note that the ratio of the FPJ concoction is 1:2.
Here are the steps and procedures to make a fermented plant juice. First, collect plant material such as young leaves, young fruits, axillary, buds, or fast-growing plants. Second, cut and weight the plant material. Third, add brown sugar or molasses. Fourth, pack the plant material and brown sugar into a fermentation vessel. Fifth, check the container after 24 hours and adjust the volume if needed. 6. Let the contents ferment for 4 to 7 days. 7. Strain the solution. And last, store the FPJ or fermented plant juice.
Here are the benefits of FPJ or fermented plant juice. Number one, nutrient-rich fertilizer. FPJ is a source of nutrients like enzymes, minerals, and hormones that are beneficial for plant growth. It helps promote healthy root development and overall plant vigor. So, unang-unang benefits ng ating FPJ is it promote healthy root development at kung saan ito ay mas magiging maganda ang tubo ng ating mga tanim. Number two, it promotes microbial activity. If PJ encourages beneficial microbial activity in the soil, improving soil health and nutrients availability for plants. So, hindi lang po nito pinapaganda ang ating pagtalubo ng mga ugat ng ating mga tanim, kung hindi pinapaganda rin ito ang ating mga lupa. Ano, yung beneficial na mga microbial ay mas ini-enhance ng FPJ na ito. Ano po? Pangatlo, enhance plant growth. The natural growth hormones in FPJ stimulate cell division and elongation, resulting in robust plant growth and higher crops yield. Ano po, mas nakakapaganda to ng mga tanim. Mas gumaganda ang paglaki ng ating mga tanim dahil ito po ay nakakapag-stimulate ng cell division at ito ay mas maganda kung magkakaroon ang mga tanim natin. Pang-apat, ito ang pinakang the best. Cost-effective and eco-friendly. FPJ is inexpensive to produce, utilizing readily available plant material and sugar. It is also environmentally friendly, reducing the needs for synthetic fertilizer and chemicals. So, ito ang the best sa lahat. Hindi po siya mahirap i-produce. Mura lang ang mga gagamiting equipment at ang iba ay libre pa nga. At ito rin ay eco-friendly. Ano po, hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga fertilizer na synthetic na makakasira sa ating kapaligiran. Number 5, stress resistance. FPJ help plant resist environmental stressor like drought, heat, and pests by strengthening their natural immunity and adaptability. Isa ito sa magandang benepisyo ng ating FPJ sapagkat ito ay nakatulong sa ating mga tanim na mas lalong lumakas ang kanilang immunity. Kung baga sa tao, ito ay parang vitamins sa atin. Pang-anim, versatile application. FPJ can be used of foliar spray, soil drench, or as part of compost team mixture, making it versatile for various farming and gardening practices. So, versatile po ang application nito dahil pwede lang natin to ihalo or gamitin sa foliar spray or soil drench. Ano po, mas madali yung application. At pang-7, sustainable farming practices. Using FPJ, it supports sustainable and regenerative farming by recycling plants material and minimizing waste. So ito na nga, mas magaan, mas madali ito i-produce dahil ito po ay recyclable lang, madali lang gamitin, madali lang gumawa, madali lang mag-produce nito at ito po ay regeneratives at recyclable materials and it minimize the waste. And by incorporating FPJ into your farming or gardening routine, you can boost plant health and productivity while fostering an eco-friendly approach to cultivation.
Here's the other benefits of FPJ or fermented plant juice. Number 8. Improved soil structure. FPJ contributes to improved soil structure by promoting the growth of soil organisms that help create aerated, well-textured soil. This enhances water retention and root penetration. Number 9. Reduces plant toxicity. FPJ can help detoxify soil and plants by neutralizing harmful chemicals or imbalances caused by excessive use of synthetic fertilizer and pesticides. Number 10. Boost crop flavor and quality. The nutrients and hormones in FPJ enhance the natural taste, aroma, and natural value of fruits and vegetables, leading to better quality harvest.
Hello, here is my part of explaining the benefits of FPJ or the fermented plant juice. First is improve water retention. FPJ can help improve soil water retention capacity, reducing the frequency of irrigation and saving water. Ito yung part na makakatipid tayo sa tubig and hindi mo na kailangan magdilig araw-araw. Next is enhanced nutrient uptake. The organic acid in FPJ can help break down complex nutrients, making them more readily available for plants uptake. Ito yung part na mas pinapadali ng FPJ na makuha ng mga halaman yung mga nutrients.
One of the benefits of EPJ or fermented plant juice is to reduce pest and disease pressure. Nakakatulong ang EPJ para palakasin ang immune system ng mga halaman at para mas maging matibay laban sa anumang uri ng plant diseases.
The importance of fermented plant. Number 1. Organic and natural fertilizer. FPJs provide plants with essential nutrients and growth hormones derived from the natural resources, eliminating the need for synthetic fertilizers. Number 2. Enhanced soil health. FPJs promote microbial activity in the soil, fostering a healthy ecosystem that improves soil structures and fertility. Number 3. Boost plant growth. Anaxon, cytokinins, and enzymes in FPJ stimulated cell divisions, root development, and overall plant growth, resulting in healthier crops.
Number 4. Cost-effective and eco-friendly. Fermented plant juice or FPJ is inexpensive to produce utilizing readily available plant materials and sugar. It is also environmentally friendly, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and chemicals. Number 5. Stress resistance. FPJ helps plants resist environmental stressors like drought, heat, and pests by strengthening their natural immunity and adaptability. Number 6. Versatile application. FPJ can be used as foliar spray, soil drench, or as part of a composting mixture, making it versatile for various farming and gardening practices.
The other importance of fermented plant juice or FPJ that lies in its role as natural farming input that supports sustainable and organic agricultural practices are versatile use and supports regenerative farming. Versatile use is a FPJ or fermented plant juice that can be used as a foliar spray, soil amendment, or compost activator, making it adaptable to different farming and gardening needs, while support regenerative farming is aligns with regenerative agricultural practices by promoting nutrients, recycling, reducing waste, and enhancing biodiversity. So, that is the additional importance of fermented plant juice. Thank you.
So number 9 encourages self-sufficiency. FPJ empowers farmers and gardeners to create their own high-quality agricultural inputs, reducing dependency on commercial products. So about siya sa pag-encourage sa mga farmers and gardeners na gumawa ng fertilizer na eco-friendly at huwag umasa palagi sa mga fertilizers na made of chemicals. Alam naman natin na magastos kapag gumagamit ng chemical fertilizers and medyo hassle kasi need mo pa na pumunta sa mga pamilya ng fertilizers para lang bumili. Samantalang sa fermented plant juice, need mo lang ng molasses or kung walang available, asukal at leguminous plants tulad ng kangkong, alugbati at talbos ng kamote para sa paggawa. The next is number 10, cost-effective solution. With minimal costs involved in its production, FPJ is an economical alternative to expensive chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Ang FPJ o fermented plant juice ay hindi lang environment friendly. Ito rin ay budget friendly. Isang FPJ sa pinakamagandang alternative sa chemical fertilizers kasi di mo na kailangan gumastos ng malaki, so ibig sabihin afford ito ng lahat. At nakakatulong din ito sa ating kalikasan dahil hindi na kinakailangan ng nagamitan ng chemical ang crops. So in summary, FPJ is a critical component of natural farming, contributing to sustainable agriculture, environmental conservation, and healthy crop production.